Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, Ishan. Looking so different today.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Ma'am, I'm
Yeah.
going to Saudi like 18th this Thursday. It was so close, ma'am, because there is study leave now. She forgot about my dad forgot about my exam and
Mm.
he take like 18th Thursday and I was shocked. Oh my gosh, it was so close. Like in Wednesday, 17, she was like he was like thinking 17th or 18th,
Oh,
and he didn't think about my exam.
okay. I think second language exam is 17th and your
Yeah,
team written assessment at 19th.
17th to
When will you reach on there?
yeah, 18th morning itself. I can study also, right?
Okay, okay. And you will reach 19th
Yeah,
also there.
17th I can write the second language exam.
Exam 18th. Yeah, you have a gap in between the
I
two
was
days.
so like was tension. What about the 18 will be the same three of the subject? I was
Mm.
confused. Like 19th or 18th.
Yes, yes, yes.
She was like my dad was like shocked. I didn't tell my father it was my exam.
Okay.
He
He
was
didn't ask
like
also.
tired and all.
17th is second language. Samna, Fatiha, everyone. Good morning.
My
Again,
dad
welcome
is
back. A new week.
because like every day he is eating in the hotel, so he's so tired. Like
Ma'am, after this week's
three
vacation,
of
it's leave. I mean,
he
after this
After the week, we'll have
assessment,
a
it's
PTM. Okay.
Ma'am, I can't find my
after
white
And
this
shirt.
after that,
assessment, we have classes.
communication day is there, GP day is there.
Ma'am,
Some, yeah.
I can't find my white shirt because
Oh, what is that?
I don't think I brought it.
Hmm. Okay. It's okay. So, a new week started. Yeah, when is a language assessment? The
Tomorrow,
assessments are very close to us. Yeah, it's tomorrow. Tomorrow is your
what about
language
the
assessment.
presentation of the language?
Yeah, the same day. Same day.
Same day.
Yeah, the same day also, the project presentation. And yeah, today I'll add the details and the timing and everything on your calendar. You can see that timings and everything. And theme 10, written assessment and the project presentation also says in that same day. Okay. So in this term, we will conduct this assembly project on the same day. So 17th is the language assessment, 19th is the Friday. 19th means it's Friday. That day is your written assessment. Okay. So I hope you all done your works, assignments and everything. How about Ishan, Fatiha, Ibrahim, Amna, Imran? Just share your screen, Ibrahim.
What, ma'am?
Share your screen and show me to
And
YouTube.
after this week, we have 1 week to school.
Yeah, yeah. You have some programs, GP Day, Communication Day, like one Arabic Assembly Day or
And it
something
will
there.
end, ma'am.
And after that, it will end
Yeah, yeah. We'll
vacation.
close it. Everything will send you the message. Okay.
So only 1 week. And
I don't have any works.
2 week or what?
This thing also.
Okay, very good, Tanas. Others, Ishan, Imran, share your screen and show me your to-do list.
Should I go first? I could not share when share.
Ibrahim, Fatiha, Amna.
Ma'am, I don't have any assigned work and missing work. I'm done.
Yeah. Two. Yeah, communication day video is there. It's assigned.
Ma'am,
So
I
please
was
do
there for this.
so do that also.
You were yesterday, so I
You
cannot.
just ask your teacher. Madhushi ma'am will give you the ideas of that. Nehida ma'am will give you the ideas for that. Yes, Avadiha.
Yesterday I had fever. That's why I cannot take the video of communication day.
Okay, you can take today's itself. Okay.
Ma'am, I have
I sent
nothing.
message to Mother ma'am. She said okay.
Okay, okay,
I
okay.
sent
So
her.
those who missed that communication day video, please do it today. And one more thing is that one what is that one role play? Not a role play. It's a fancy. That's one. Yeah, I said before that you have to choose one person and by heart his lines, the thought like that. You remember that?
Ma'am,
No, yeah, when is that date?
That I think that is in that.
I think your guys planning.
It's on 22nd or 23rd.
20? 22?
Second, yeah.
Oh, this month?
Yeah,
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, like we can use any characters.
yeah.
Okay. Ma'am, can I just
Any historical characters or others, scientist, or anything you can use. Okay. Okay, anything else? Ishan, where is your screen? I didn't see that. Share your screen. It's not. To do list. Move up to do. Yeah. Yeah, the video you missed earlier, 45 there. Click on the earlier. Yeah, okay, okay. We can close it. It's so earlier. Actor, please. Correct. Ibrahim, have you shared that? Okay, now you can stop it. The
yes, ma'am.
Ishan. Amnan. Imran also shared. Okay. Take the missing part, the middle one. Even notes writing is there, Imran. I'll extend the due date. Just do it today itself. You want to also do the communication day video. Okay, you can close it. Which is the first ever?
English.